Yo, what up everybody? You might have seen in one of my last hauls. This one is from Les17, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. In my last hauls, I got this item. Didn't want to open it up in that video. I wanted to do a full haul or a full review. So, yeah, we got this Comme des Garçons KAWS cologne. Mirror by KAWS and Comme des Garçons, 100 milliliter, 3.3 FLOs, eau de toilette, vaporisateur, natural spray. So natural, that's nice to know it's natural. Made in France by Comme des Garçons Parfum. So yeah, this is the real stuff. Retail $130. Comme des Garçons X KAWS Mirror by KAWS cologne perfume. Super excited for this. I love the design on the outside, and the description on it really sounded interesting. It really sounded more like on my kind of scent that I would like, more like citrusy and sweet. So it's got like some orange kind of smells in it, some like citrusy smells, all these interesting combinations. So yeah, now I'm gonna unbox it and do a little review for it. So that's why I want to have a separate video just for this product itself. And the box is very nice to begin with. It's like a nice like matte finish box, so I can keep this design. I think. Does just the design come off? That'd be interesting. I think maybe you can just like peel apart the box, or you can open it two different ways, I think. I don't know. The way they put this box together is really weird, but it's a nice like matte material, and ooh, it's even like it's matte, but then like a glossed highlighted design. I love the hands and like the blood. So cool. Mirror, I guess that's like the mirror into the different dimension or something, I don't know. Mirror by KAWS. I've gotten the exact same like Comme des Garçons cologne before, like the same shape and size, but this is the KAWS version, and the bottle looks very sick also. On the Comme des Garçons one, it just has like the Comme des Garçons logo, so I can put these beside each other. Then it's also got the XX on the top. I love that touch. This one is a lot lighter colored than the original Comme des Garçons cologne that I have, so it's a lot darker. I could even compare it. Maybe I'll do that in the preview. And so yeah, maybe that means it'll be a lighter scent, and it's got a shorter tube, a shorter like thinner tube, so maybe it won't spray as heavy. It's very interesting. Ooh, also the lid is very like firmly on this thing. Like it's not loose like the other one. Like this looks like it's very well crafted. Although the container is like perforated in the inside, so it is going to be less liquid, I think, by the looks of it, because it has this perforated design on the inside. The lid's very tight. You can see that tiny tube. Let's see how it sprays and how it smells. First smell, it smells kind of like I've smelled this smell before. Like this smells like a very similar like woman's perfume, I think, or like, and maybe like it's like a very like formal, like expensive like lady smell. So we got that one spritz just to try. I'm very sensitive to smell, so yeah, it's like, it smells like a rich old lady. I thought it would be more citrusy and more like orangey, but all these like colognes have this really like old person smell. Like, I don't know, cologne's weird to me. Like, I like more sweet, but these are so like pungent. It does smell a lot better though. Like the other one just smells like straight up like I don't know how to describe it besides saying like old person, but it smells just like so like strong and like pungent and like perfumey and cologne-y, you know? Like I don't like the cologne-y smell. Like I need more sweet, more natural. Like I need the natural smell, not like that fake like manufactured smell. That's what a cologne kind of smells like to me. And perfumes and stuff, like it's just kind of like cloudy and like feels like it stuffs you up or something. Like I don't even know. That's why I like more of these like natural scents like this. Overall review so far, I'd give it maybe like 7.58. It's not the worst. Not too strong. Pretty nice, actually. I would probably wear it. We're going to have to see what other people think of it. See maybe if I get some ladies with it, you know, maybe we'll see if I get any comments on it. I smell it now, like, very, very strong, lingering up. But, yeah, that's very nice. I don't know. Cologne's just not my thing. What I usually use is LUSH body spray. That's my go-to, the Twilight. I'm going to be doing a review on that soon, too, so stay tuned. And I do a preview at the end of the video. If you want to see a close-up of the product, you can check that out also. Yeah, that's about it. So, thank you guys for watching. I'll do the preview now. Make sure to like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.